The following video clip will provide information on the servicing of the double check valve model DCV sizes 2.5 inch through 10 inch. Let us begin by identifying some of the major components of the valve. The main body has a fusion bonded epoxy coating. The valve also consists of an inlet shutoff valve, an outlet shutoff valve, 4 ball valves, and 2 spring-loaded check valves. A single access cover allows for easy removal of all internal parts during the maintenance of your valve. For your convenience, Flomatic's backflow preventers are serviced with common tools. No special tools will be needed to service your valve. Begin by removing your valve from service. First, close the inlet shutoff valve, and then the outlet shutoff valve. Next, the internal pressure must be released by opening the ball valves. The first ball valve will remain closed. Next, remove the bolts from cover and remove cover. The 2-inch to 10-inch DCV models have check valves that feature a simple inline stem type design. Each check is held into place by a stainless steel spring clip. Channel locks or standard pliers will be needed to remove the clip. To remove, position the pliers around the spring clip tabs and take care to squeeze the tabs fully together with a secure grasp. Angle pliers away from check and pull the spring clip away from valve groove. For your safety, disengage the spring clip inside the valve body before removing. Use a straight blade screwdriver to carefully pry the check out of groove. After removal of all internal components, inspect the sealing areas within the valve and clean them as needed. Flushing the system is recommended. The check valve assemblies consist